But definitely, this government, our government, has allocated more money for capital expenditure than earlier BJP government. You can just check; these figures are on in the public domain. What I'm telling is not something like hidden or something. You see, the earlier government, in the BJP government, when they had in the outgoing government, they had allocated around 50,000 odd crores for capital expenditure. But our government, consistently in last two budgets, we are giving last budget more than 70,000 crores has been allocated for capital expenditure. Then how can they say that there is no money? And for example, in Kalyan, Karnataka, we have given 5,000 crores last 2 years to KKRDB, 5,000 crores. Can you imagine? So definitely, I think it's a misinformation. Under what context CAG has told that, I am not aware. I need to read that report. But definitely, our government, in spite of our 5 guarantees, government is taking up huge development works.